Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer business branding across Mailchimp templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your business branding across Mailchimp templates, ensure you are logged into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the templates section from the main dashboard. Choose the template you wish to customize for your branding. Click on the selected template to open the editing interface. Start by updating the logo section. Click on the logo area to upload your company logo. Ensure your logo is properly sized for optimal display. Next, update the color scheme to match your brand. Go to the color settings and input your brand's color hex codes. Apply your primary brand color to the background elements. Change the text color to ensure readability against your background. Add secondary colors for buttons and highlights. Move on to the font settings now. Select typography that aligns with your brand's identity. Choose a font style for headings and another for body text if needed. Make sure that the fonts are legible and visually appealing. Next, include your brand's imagery. Upload any specific images or graphics that represent your brand ethos. Drag and drop these images into the appropriate sections of the template. After setting the visuals, focus on the messaging. Ensure all placeholder text reflects your brand's voice and tone. Edit the content areas to include your brand story or mission statement. Check the footer section for consistency. In the footer, include your business contact information and social media links. Verify that all the links direct customers to the correct platforms. Before saving, preview the template to see how it looks. Test the layout and confirm that all elements align with your branding. Once satisfied, save your changes to the template. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.